Primetime news this evening. How hot will it get? And should we be concerned? Experts answer in a Primetime news special report. National Day of Mourning set for Friday as country looks to send message to child killers. And suspect in one of the beryllium attacks slapped with multiple charges.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, a little later on I'll have the latest of what's going to be happening at the pumps tomorrow. You want to stick around for that. And we're also going to be talking about productivity and what some stakeholders are saying needs to be done to boost Jamaica's output.
And with a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Giovanni. Well, questions are being asked about a recent sanction handed down by the Swimming Association of Jamaica. And the West Indies are back in action at the ICC 50 Over World Cup in Zimbabwe on Thursday. We'll give you the details of these and more a bit later on.
Thank you very much, Jermaine. And Romaine Robinson is here to tell us what's coming up in the weather.
Thanks so much, Andrea. Well, it's the 21st of June, the official start of summer. We are expecting that warmer weather, to be continuing across the area. Hotter temperatures expected, very little rain in our forecast.
And there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Now, this evening we're asking, what are you doing to cope with the heat?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.